Benefits of vitamin C. Protection against scurvy. Scurvy is because an insufficient intake of vitamin C. The signs and symptoms of scurvy appear because of the weakening of connective tissues, bones, and bloodstream vessels, which include bovine collagen. Vitamin C effective antioxidant is needed for producing bovine collagen. Protect from cold and cough. Vitamin C improves the defense mechanisms in our body, which protects us from common colds and coughs. It facilitates the absorption of iron and for that reason strengthens our body's potential to deal with infections. Also, it fights against all infections. Lowering hypertension. Those with hypertension are in bad risk of developing cardiovascular illnesses. The supplement of vitamin C intake works well for decreasing the body's bloodstream pressure. Management of cancer. Scientific study has discovered that a higher use of fresh fruits and vegetables poses a connect to a minimized risk for various cancer. Research has also proven that elevated use of vitamin C is of a decreased chance of cancers from the lung area, mouth, vocal cords, throat, colon, rectum, stomach, and windpipe. Combating stroke. Vitamin C will help with reducing the chance of stroke, a kind of coronary disease. And eating plain filled with fruits and vegetables offers a good volume of vitamin C, which maintains the right bloodstream pressure level. Additionally, it protects against toxins that could be the explanation of the stroke.